Dear Sir, comma, I am in receipt of your letter of the 24th, comma, and I regret to state that I am unable to give you the information you require, full stop. I can assure you I should be pleased to do so if it were possible, full stop. I am surprised to hear from you that the funds of your society are in such a bad way, full stop. I regard the objects of the society as most praiseworthy, comma, and I cannot understand how it is that public support should be withheld, full stop. I enclose check for £10 as a subscription, comma, and shall be glad to give the same amount next year, full stop. I am much obliged to you for the copy of the report, full stop. Yours faithfully, close.